Hey guys, it's Verdi Book Gaming, and today we're doing a 5-minute special. We're on the road to 35 subscribers, on the road to 600 views. We have 581 views. I'm hoping to, by next week probably to hit 700 views. So if you guys know anybody like schools and stuff, share the video with them. Tell them to watch it. Tell them to subscribe. That would help it a lot. Now let's get into this. And if you guys have not subscribed, please subscribe. Leave a like down below. And leave suggestions for what you want to be the next video. Oh yeah. 26-9. Yeah. Don't watch the clock. Do what it does. What? I'm on Phantoms. Yeah, sounds like the server. Booyah. So that, guys, we're on the road to getting BFGs. We're trying to get it. Show your support down below. If you guys want me to get a certain kind of gun that you really like or you suggest, tell me your favorite gun down below in the comments down below, and I will check it out. Huda, you know what? Huda, you know the Nordic War Axe? Dude, you know how I don't use it much at all? You think I should sell a skin so I can actually get the BFG? I don't actually use the Nordic War Axe. Dude, spawn on me. I'm about to be at the top of the... I'll tell you when to spawn. About to be... give me like 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5... Reset and spawn on me. I'm on crane. I already got hit markers on somebody. That was fast. Got you. Booyah. You see me on the crane? What the? Where did you come from? What? I see them. Hi, Penguin, I see. Dude, I already got a hit on him. He's about to be dead. He's spotted. Got him! Headshot! Headshot through the bottom of the crane without even aiming. Well, technically I aimed. But dude, could you suicide so I can get your Dragonov SVDS? Dude, can I have the Dragonov SVDS? Please? I want to do trick shotting. Dude, please? I won't kill myself. I'll try. Dude, come on. There's nobody else up there. Dude, there's nobody else up there. I killed the guy that's up there. Can I please have the Dragonov SVDS? I got the guy 95 health. I was totally close to killing him. Totally. Faco's about... No, not Faco. Faco Just fell off the crane. Smooth. Yehuda, if you die, spawn on me. Oh! Hit markers! I got hit markers on Trickshot. Hold on. I might actually be able to hit this Trickshot. Let's see if I can do this. Somebody else killed him. Flip. Come on, no scope. Oh, what? Every time I hit somebody, somebody else just kills him. It's really annoying. Oh! I hit markers. Ugh! Flipping AK guy behind me. 5-3. On top of the gas station roof right the second I just spawned up there. I don't know what the name of it's called. On top of a building. Ah, sorry, you just jumped off a building. Who? Didn't get that one. Ah! What? No! Flip. Dude, okay, this is the goal. Get insane studs. Get as far away from somebody and hit them in the head. Hit them in the head or get a really... Try getting a 500 stud shot or like a 400. Dude, I've gotten it in about like dude, you can actually, if you were really precise, like were really good with a pistol, and you hit them in the head, you could literally headshot somebody with a G17 pistol, okay, from 700 studs. I've seen it happen, but with somebody else has done it to me before without aimbot. Oh, 254 studs. Put that on the leaderboard. Hold on.
Yeah, I actually have gotten over 600 studs.
254.
Highly well, obviously. I really need to get the hot code out of this thing.
No! Mustache Bob killed me. That's a great name. How many studs did he kill me from? 168 studs. Hot, you didn't beat me. 253 studs. Dude, should I do a trick shot with the train? Not the crane, not the train. That came out wrong. Go. Should I do a trick shot at the crane? There's plenty of people to do it on. I see Mustache Bob. I might go for him. Oh, somebody else just killed him. jumping off the crane. 1,000. Oh, that wasn't mine. How many studs was that? 272 studs. New record. 272. Okay, so you my so far score is 254 and a 272. With Remington 700 from a crane or the gas station roof. First one was from a gas station roof. Second one was from the crane. Second one was from the crane trick-shotting. I trick-shotted 272 studs headshot. I did a headshot no scope off of the top of the crane. That was sick. That was the first time I've ever hit that high of a trick shot. I'm not hit. I mean, I kill. Actually, hit to kill. No, that was a waste of it. I jumped off before I shot. I should have shot the second I jump. Flip. Somebody else go on the crane. I can get up there faster. There, move. Oh yeah, jump. Dude, I jumped on the ground, aimed, and fired a wall in midair. That was pretty good. Okay, dude, now you have to try getting either beat 252 studs or 272 studs. I have to do a grenade shot. What the? Help! 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 You did spawn on me! Spawn on me! Spawn on me! Ow! I was glitching out, jeez. 11 and 8. Dude, I already leveled up Yuta while you were gone. Go! What is... Gee... I got hit markers. I don't know, but whenever I stand up on the... I need you to go up the crane and let me spawn on you. Because every time I touch a dead body on the crane, it shoots me flying up. I can get that last guy. Oh, that's my teammate. Escape or enter. But Yehuda, spawn on me once I get up onto the crane and give me your dragon off place, because that would be a whole lot easier to trick shot with. Which one is on the crane? Who's on the crane? You to go for the crane. Actually, you know what? Can I have your Dragon of SVDS? Give me your Dragon of SVDS. Got you. Ooh, BFG, that's better. BFG's a whole lot better for sniping right now because you don't have the good Dragon of SVDS scope yet. Okay, I swear, this thing flings me right now. Yes, it didn't fling me. Yes. Yes. Oh my corping gosh. I'm trying not to. Who's hurting me? Ow. I died. Who did you jinxed it? I don't know. I don't know what level he is.